Hello everyone, this is Pauline and I'll be showing you a simple coding in Python that I learned in my Principles of Programming course in University of the Philippines, Open University. So, let's get started. So, as you can see, our professor gave us a list of instruction that I will do in coding in Python. So, for the first instruction, we're supposed to display a set of menus, and then the user should be able to input a number that belongs to the menu. So what we're going to do is that going to type print, then double quotation. Inside the double quotation, we're just going to put the menu. So I'm just going to copy this and paste it. Now if we run this code, it will look like this. They're all in one line instead of looking like this. So to be able to look like this, what we're just going to do is we're going to put a backslash n before of each number, then run. Now you can see that they're all in different line. Now the next step that we're going to do is that for the user to be able to input a number that belongs to the choices. So what we're just going to do is just going to indent it so they will be all aligned. So we're just going to give a variable. So the variable, it can be any words, but for me I will just going to set the variable name into choice and then set it into input parenthesis, then enter your choice here. Now as you can see, if you run this, the menu is displayed and the user can input a number. Now for the next instruction, if the user select number 1, the program will ask the user to give 4 integers and the program will print the sum of all those 4 integers. So what we're just going to do is just put it in an if condition. If choice is equals to 1, then we're going to make 4 variables that will hold each inputs that the user will enter. So for the first variable, I will name it first int is equals to input enter first integer. So since the instruction is that it will ask 4 integers, so I'm just going to copy this, paste, and I'm just going to change the name of the variables. Now if you run this and put 1, you can put all the integers. Now how will the program will add all of the integers that was given? So we're just going to make another variable and then first int plus second int plus third int plus fourth int, then just print total. And if you run it, enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it printed the total. But in the instruction, you should put the sum is before the sum of all the integers that we did. So what we're just going to do is just put a double quotation mark and then type the sum is modulo D stands for integer and then modulo total. So we're just going to run it 1, 2, 3, 4. The sum is 10. For the next instruction, if the user select number 2, program will ask 3 floats and print their product afterward. So what we're just going to do for that is just put elif choice is equals to 2, then first float is equals to input, enter first float. And since we're going to ask 3 floats, we're just going to copy this and paste and then change the name of the variable. Now after all floats are being asked, we're going to make a new variable and then we're going to call it product is equals to the first float times second float times third float, and then just print the product is modulo f for the float, so it will be able to show in decimal forms, then modulo product. If we run this, choose number 2, enter first float 4, 5. As you can see, there are multiple digits after the decimal point, so if you just want to show two digits after the decimal point, we're just going to put 0.2f, and then when we run it, there will be just 2 digits that will be shown after the decimal point. So for the next instruction, if the user select number 3, the user will be asked to input 2 words, and then the program will convert all these words into all capital letters. So to do that, we're just going to put elif choice is equals to 3, then first string is equals to input, enter first word, second string, input, enter second word, and select number 3, apple. You see, if we run this, it's now in error. It says apple is not defined. So instead of just input, we're going to add row underscore input. It's now okay, no more error. So we're going to change them into uppercase. We're just going to put print. The converted strings are modulo s and modulo s. Modulo first string dot upper, second string dot upper. Let's see. Per 3. Now the converted strings are pen and up. Now for the next instruction, if the user selects number 4, the program will ask the user to input 4 strings, and then the program will combine all the strings and produce a single string with comma as a delimiter. So to do that, we're just going to make another elif choice is equals to 4. Then we're just going to make a variable. First s is equals to row input, enter first word. So since it's asking for 4 strings, we're just going to copy paste and then just change the variables. The combined string is modulo s, modulo, then first ss, second ss, third ss, then fourth ss. So let's try it. 4 apple, pineapple, and 1 watermelon. So there you have it. We were able to combine all the strings that were input by the user. So for the last instruction, the program will ask the user to input a single integer, and the program will identify whether the integer is an odd or an even. So to do that, we're going to make another elif choice is equals to 5. Then we're just going to make a new variable. So I'm going to call it elif equals to input, enter a number. Now to be able to identify whether the number is an odd or even, we're just going to make an if and else statement inside the elif statement. If oddef modulo 2 is equals to 0, then print the number is even, else print the number is odd. So we're going to Input 5, 90. The number 90 is even. Now let's run again. Say add 7. The number 7 is odd. So, that's it. Again, I'm Pauline and thank you so much for watching.